Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This is a must-see. We have here a beautiful two-story, three-bedroom, four-bathroom home for sale. It is located in a quiet community in Ingle, Mews, Maypen, Clarendon. The ground floor has bedroom, one bathroom, living room, dining room, kitchen, powder room, laundry room, carport, and veranda. The upper floor has a master bedroom with den and TV room, one other bedroom, shared bathroom, and a balcony. There is also a storeroom, which is a open concept dog kennel with compartments. This house sits on 0.31 acres of land. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 38 million or US $246.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.